Math Module 4, Lesson 16. I can solve word problems using tape diagrams and fraction by fraction multiplication. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. Pause to catch up. Rewind and rewatch if there's still a few confusions. Good luck. Joaquin is icing 30 cupcakes. He spreads mint icing on 1/5 of the cupcakes and chocolate on 1/2 of the remaining cupcakes. The rest will get vanilla frosting. How many cupcakes will have vanilla frosting? So let's look at the question, just like always. So the number of cupcakes with vanilla frosting. Well, what do I know? So he has 30 cupcakes. That's my total. Okay. He spreads mint icing on 1/5 of them. And chocolate on half of the remaining. I got to pay attention to that. So what do I know? Let's think. Let's start with mint since that comes first. So mint says mint icing is 1/5 of the cupcakes. And how many cupcakes were there? There were 30. So it's 1/5 of 30. So I know that's 1/5 times, because of means times. So 30/5. Well, 30 divided by 5 is 6 cupcakes with mint icing. Well, now let's look at the next one. It says chocolate on half of the remaining cupcakes. So it's not all the cupcakes, it's how many are left. Well, I know I have 30. And I'm taking away how many had mint icing, which is 6. 30 minus 6 is 24 cupcakes remain. Alright, so now let's figure out how many chocolate frosted cupcakes there are. So I have half of the remaining, and so that would be 24. So that means I'm multiplying half times 24, which I know is 24 halves. Well, 24 divided by 2 is 12 cupcakes with chocolate, and I'm abbreviating chocolate, icing. So let me just check my question. How many cupcakes have vanilla frosting? Vanilla? I've only done mint and chocolate. I think I need to look back at my question. Joaquin is icing 30 cupcakes. He spreads mint icing on 1/5 of the cupcakes. Yikes. And chocolate on half of the remaining cupcakes. The rest will get oh. Didn't pay attention to that. Oops. So vanilla, the rest will have vanilla frosting. So I have 30, taking away my 6 mint, which is 24. So now I need to take away the 24 remaining, take the 24 remaining and subtract how many were chocolate frosted. 24 minus 12 is 12. So 12 cupcakes have vanilla frosting. It didn't ask for a fraction, so I don't have to do a fraction. If it asked for a fraction, I would have to do 12 out of 30. But it doesn't ask, so I don't have to do it. So 12 cupcakes have vanilla frosting. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 2. Milan puts 1/4 of her lawn mowing money in savings and uses half of the remaining money to pay back her sister. If she has $15 left, how much did she have at first? So So how much did she have at first? So I'm going to put original total, because that's what having at first means. So what do I know? Put 1/4 in savings, half of the remaining to pay back her sister. Uh-oh, remaining. Gotta pay attention to that word. So if she has $15 left, oh goodness gracious. So let's think. Let's start with a model. So I'm going to pay attention to what I have first. 1/4 of her lawn mowing money is in savings. So here is my savings. Okay. Well, I have to figure out my total, and I don't know what that is. So that's what I have to figure out, is my original total. So this is my remaining, right? So I actually have to draw 2 diagrams. So I'm going to extend this down just like we did in our last module 3. So I need to pay attention to, it says half of the remaining money. So I've got my remaining money. Should I put R for remaining? Is paying back to my sister. So here's half of my sister. She's getting my money. So she has 1/4 going to her savings. She's got half of the remaining going to her sister. She has $15 left. So if the sister's getting half and the other half is 15, I know that the sister's getting 15 bucks. So I know the remaining is equal to 30. So 30 into 3 boxes would be $10. And if I know these are all fourths, then the savings is equal to $10. So how much did she have in all? Well, my total, so original total would be $10 times 4, which would equal $40. So I need to write that in a answer statement. Milan had $40 at first. So it's okay to take part of your tape diagram and model it below, so in order for you to find the half, which we did do in our previous module, if you recall. Make sure you showed all your work.